So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today's video is very important for you. Uh, Today I show you that how you can use YouTube Premiere features. So if uh, so you so if you don't have any idea on what is YouTube Premiere feature is, so before I show you the step that how you can premiere any video on your YouTube channel, I want to say some words on a YouTube Premiere feature. So actually YouTube Premiere feature means schedule live stream. That means suppose you live streaming is commonly available on any channel. So I hope that you have idea on live stream. So what is live stream? Live stream is suppose you may shoot this video on camera or mobile or any other thing, then you automatically see this video directly on YouTube at the time when you shoot this video. That means you shooting this video and the video is automatically live on YouTube. That's called live streaming. So in the age of social media, I assume that you know what is live streaming. So and another thing is the schedule live stream. That means in live stream in previous years, one required condition, if you were to live stream, then you definitely live on that position. That's why it's called live stream. But in YouTube Premiere features, you can live stream any video, any pre-recorded video. That means if you want to live stream at 8 p.m. Okay, but you unfortunately your internet connection is gone, electricity is gone, and you don't be live on 8 p.m. So how you can live stream on 8 p.m.? You automatically uploaded a video in previous time and schedule this video that it's be live streaming on 8 p.m. Okay, this schedule live streaming features called YouTube Premiere feature. So okay, so no more talk. Let's see that how you can use this Premiere feature and how you can use it. So just go to Google Chrome, which browser you use. So okay, so just go to your sorry. So as you can see that this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so I upload a video and show you the YouTube Premiere features. So actually my channel recently crossed 500 subscriber, so I make separate video on that completing 500 subscriber. So okay, I make this video. In this video I tell that I thank all of my subscriber that I completed 500 subscriber. This video I premiere, this video I schedule live stream on YouTube. Okay, I will upload this video through YouTube Premiere feature. So okay, so let's see that. I just normally uploaded it. So as you can see that whenever, so another clue is, if your channel have a YouTube Premiere feature, then at the time of upload, this type of banner will become here, new premieres. So there is no required condition, that there is no requirement. I don't know the requirement that how you can enable or how you can get this YouTube Premiere features, but YouTube gave this feature those on those channel whose don't have any copyright strike, any community strike, or any other type of copyright claim, and whose channel watch time is very much good. Actually my channel is more than 800 hours watch time last 28 days. So from 800 hours you can assume that this kind of big much watch time my channel gain. So okay, so whenever you upload a video, this premiere banner is come here. If don't come, that means your channel did not get the premiere feature. If this banner came, that means your channel get the premiere feature. So okay, so as you can see that another thing is, make sure that the video is automatically uploading. Make sure that the video upload to 100%, and after just enable this premiere feature after 100%. And okay, and after the processing is finished. Uh, so friends, I actually cut some of the part of the middle part of the video. Actually, in the middle part of the video is uploading to 100%. So after completing 100%, this the use of Premiere features is common. So same is the common similar to like other normal uploads. That is this video. This video is also has title, also has description, also has tags. So okay, so how to use this Premiere feature? So upload up to this is normal step that you can normally upload a video. So after that, what you have to do this go to this public option and just click on that and select is schedule. Okay, so previously I say that Premiere means nothing but schedule live stream. Okay, schedule live stream, that means you uh, create a hype of live streaming, but unfortunately you do not live stream, because as you can see, I live stream this video uh, November 13. Okay, November, today is 29. Okay, so okay, I so actually today is 29. So I schedule this video on November 13, 10 p.m. Okay, so as you can see that 10 p.m. So okay, so November 13, 10 p.m. I schedule this video on November 13. This is the normal step. But after that, just select schedule, and whatever time you want to give, just give the time, and after that click this Premiere feature, just on. Okay, Premiere on November, that means my video is live on November 13, 2018. That means tomorrow on 10 p.m. So if I disable this feature, this video is just uploaded on November 13, 10 p.m. not live stream. But if I enable this Premiere feature with the schedule, that means as well as this video is live stream on this feature. So Premiere is schedule live stream. So again I say you, if I give to this schedule option, this video is uploaded, suppose okay, tomorrow. This video is normally uploaded tomorrow. If I enable this Premiere feature, this video will be not only published tomorrow as well as in the form of live streams. Okay, so this is the called YouTube Premiere feature. Premiere feature means schedule live stream. You don't need to present on the time of live streaming. You already live stream a preloaded video, a pre-published video. So okay, so as you can see that in November 13 I 10 p.m. I premiere this my video. That's my 500 subscriber is complete. So another thing is, make sure that you see this video. So okay, so just after that select Premiere Friday November 13, just click on that. So as you can see that, as you can see, your video will be premiere your 500 subscribe, your video will be premiere on November 13, 2018. So okay, so this is my thumbnail. So after that, so go to Creator Studio and from Video Manager, you see that this is the normal, the in normal upload there is no Premiere written here. But if you premiere any video, then as you can see that premieres November on 13, 2018 10 p.m. So as from this you can as well as edit this thumbnail also by clicking edit option. And another thing is, so just go to edit option and as you can see that, suppose I click this edit option, you can also uh, change this tags, this title, description before this video is published. So okay, so you can also disable these features from here. Okay, so and the premiere and another thing is, when this video is, suppose I said this video will be premiere on November 13 10 p.m. That means when the video in 9:30 p.m. My subscriber will be notified. Two times my subscriber will be notified, at 9:30 and at 9:45. Two times notification gives to my subscribe. So that means creating a hype. YouTube give notification two times and tell them that a very premiere. That means whenever a cinema premiere, a game premiere, from that you have an idea that what is premiere feature. So okay, so this is the step that how you can use YouTube premiere features. Again I show you that YouTube premiere is nothing but schedule live stream. Okay, you live stream a preloaded video on that channel. You don't need to present on at that time, just schedule the video and enable the premiere feature, and that's it. The video will be live stream on that. So okay friends, and another thing is, if you have premiere features, if you use premiere features whenever your channel is monetized, you can also use a super chat tag there. Okay, so you can also use super chat and any other benefit which comes from monetization, but in my case I use this premiere feature without my monetization, so I don't enable this super chat option. So okay, so this is the step. So if you find this video is very informative, then please subscribe to my channel. Your small effort encourage me to make more videos. So okay friends, goodbye.